Artificial intelligence, AI. What is it? In short, it is the simulation of human intelligence processes by machines, particularly computer systems, is what is known as artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence, AI, often known as machine intelligence, is the emulation of human intelligence functions by machines, particularly computer systems. It entails developing algorithms, models, and systems that are capable of carrying out operations that ordinarily demand for human intelligence, such as comprehending natural language, spotting patterns, making judgment calls, gaining knowledge from experience, and adapting to novel circumstances. Basic rule-based systems to sophisticated machine learning and deep learning algorithms are just a few of the many techniques that fall under the umbrella of AI technologies. AI's ultimate goal is to make it possible for machines to carry out tasks on their own and to emulate human cognitive processes. How does AI function? For the creation and training of machine learning algorithms, AI requires a foundation of specialized hardware and software. A vast volume of labeled training data is typically ingested by AI systems, which then examine the data for correlations and patterns before employing these patterns to forecast future states. The cognitive qualities that are prioritized in AI programming include the following. Learn more. This area of AI programming is concerned with gathering data and formulating the rules necessary to transform it into useful knowledge. The guidelines, also known as algorithms, give computing equipment detailed instructions on how to carry out a certain activity. Analysis. His area of AI programming is concerned with selecting the best algorithm to achieve a particular result. Correcting oneself. This feature of AI programming is to continuously improve algorithms and make sure they deliver the most precise results. Originality. This branch of AI creates new images, texts, songs, and ideas using neural networks, rules-based systems, statistical techniques, and other AI tools. Weak AI against strong AI. AI can be divided into two types: weak AI and strong AI. Weak AI, sometimes referred to as narrow AI, is created and trained to do a single task. Weak AI is used by industrial robots and virtual personal assistants like Apple's Siri. Artificial General Intelligence, AGI, usually referred to as strong AI, is a term used to describe computer programming that can mimic human cognitive functions. A powerful AI system can employ fuzzy logic to transfer information from one area to another and discover a solution on its own when faced with an unexpected job. Examples of AI technology in use today include text, picture, and audio generation are all examples of automation, machine learning, machine vision, natural language processing, NLP, robotics, and autonomous vehicles. AI applications include AI in the following areas: healthcare, business, education, finance, law, and media and entertainment. Overall, AI has the power to revolutionize a number of societal and industrial elements while enhancing productivity, judgment, and human comprehension of complicated systems. To maximize AI's advantages while addressing potential problems and concerns, ethical issues and responsible development are essential.